Hello kids, welcome to my channel Learn with me. Let's learn colors. R E D red, red color. B L U E blue, blue color. O R A N G E orange, orange color. Y E double L O W, yellow, yellow color. G R double E N, green, green color. P I N K, pink, pink color. P U R P L E, purple, purple color. B R O W N, brown, brown color. B L A C K, black, black color. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.